Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho website builder. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a contact form into your Zoho website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a contact form into your Zoho website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that gathering your customers' information so you can give them a call is an important option to have on your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho sites. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Zoho sites and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, it's going to show all the websites you have with Zoho. You can see I just have this one. So first you want to click on the website you want to add a contact form to. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this blue menu here on the left. In order to add a form into your Zoho website, you have to have created the form. So we're going to go ahead and do that by clicking on forms. Once you do that, you want to click on add form. Let's go ahead and name this form. So call for tacos form and add. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and create the form. So we have this blank slate. So for this particular form, I want to gather their name. So you can see these fields off to the left. All you're going to do is just grab it. And after you click on it, it's going to drop down right here. And let's go ahead and ask for their email and their phone number. And I'm also going to go ahead and, and here we're going to go ahead and edit this. So we're going to click on name. So it says name. This is what the form's going to say, but maybe we can go ahead and change it up here on the right. Give me your name. Okay. And then the drop down right here, we're going to go ahead and name this, which taco is your favorite. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add some options. So option one, let's say this is going to be carne asada. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add another option, chicken. And the third, let's say maybe we'll just do Taco Bell. Okay, so now we have our new form. This form is called right up here, call for tacos form. Okay, and right here on the properties, form properties, we're going to do a success message. So once they submit this form, I'm going to go ahead and show them a message. I have your taco information. Okay, so after they submit, we can also redirect them. So let's go ahead and choose an action, and then maybe I'll reroute them to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to set the link right here, web URL, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my YouTube channel. If you want them to have access to a file after they submit, you can go ahead and add that here. But for me, I'm going to redirect them and save. Okay, so that looks pretty good. That's a real basic contact form. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now we have our form right here. So now we can go ahead and go into our website builder. So up here on the top right, click on edit site. Okay, so here is my website builder in Zoho. So I'm going to go to the page that I want to add that contact form to. So I'm going to hover over work, and then this page is called best tacos. So that's fitting. So let me click on there. Okay, so here is my best tacos page. So if I want to add a form in here, so we have a little bit of information about al pastor, carne asada, chicken taco, and then next they're going to get the opportunity to go ahead and submit their information. So what we're going to do is click on this plus icon here on the top left, and then we're going to click on form. Okay, so here are just integrations, but here's our form that we created. Now, if you didn't create a form, you ended up on this page, you can easily just click here, add form, and then you can create directly from this page. But we did that before, and all you're going to do is just click on it, and as you see, it just shows right up here. So call for tacos form, give me your name, which taco is your favorite, and they can click down and they can choose between there. If you want to edit it a little bit, you can see this kind of settings over here on the right. So for example, call for tacos form, I don't want them to see that, so I'll just go ahead and turn that off, and it's just the form. And then the button size, we can go ahead and change that. Let's make it a large button, so it makes it a little bigger. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now we have a contact form in our Zoho website builder, but you're not quite finished until you click on publish here on the top right. Okay, it's processing. Okay, now changes have been published. So now if we go to the website, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go to my taco page. Okay, so now if you scroll down, you're going to see the contact form right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a contact form in your Zoho website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.